Hey, this is Dan with Good Made Better, here to show you some of our cleaning tips for your Penwell. On the bottom of a Penwell, the secret sauce that makes it stick so it doesn't move around while you use your pen is a microsuction pad. That pad isn't an adhesive, but it is tacky enough that it will pick up dust, and as it does so, it loses its stick. So periodically it may need to be cleaned. The first way we would recommend is to use a cloth dampened just with plain water. Wipe it down, let it dry. The pores will actually fill up with water, so you do need to let it dry before it'll get its stick back. The second technique, which is a little quicker, is to use ordinary tape. Just apply it to the pad all over the surface to pick off the contaminants. A couple pieces of tape might be needed. The harder you press, the more it's going to pull it off, but you have to be careful. You don't want to damage your pad, which with aggressive tape you can do. So that's all there is to it.